What is good, my YouTube followers and all YouTubers alike? It is your girl Tanisha, aka She's a Model, and I am here to do another Temu review. As you guys can see, I am in an unfamiliar setting. I'm in my kitchen. So for the kitchen, I want to review these products that I purchased on Temu, and they're all kitchen cleaning products. So I want to review them, see exactly how they work, if they hold up its weight, if they are good and sturdy. I am really excited for this video. So if you are ready for this video, make sure you keep watching. I want to mention all the products that I did pick up. I believe I paid about $108, some change like that, for all of these items. Let me go ahead with the first item that I'm going to pull out. All right, so this item, I believe it's called, let's see, what's it called? Called a gap brush. So basically what this item does is it cleans under hard to reach surfaces. So say if you have a fridge and you want to clean it, it's essentially supposed to pick up the dirt so that you're able to easily sweep it off. I really liked this item. I think it was really good. Okay, you guys, I loved how it got under the refrigerator with ease, and it's kind of like sticky as well. Not sticky, but it's just a nice sweeping motion, so it's easier for you to get under those hard to reach surfaces. I really love this product. I think you should purchase it and pick it up on Temu. All right. On to the next product. We have this magic brush. This one is a very exciting item that I want to talk about. All right, so this magic brush, it comes with 4 different accessories. See if you guys can see. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different accessories that you are able to use to clean with. So let me just pull these out so you guys can see it. We have the 4 different expandables, like I mentioned. We have one that's soft, nice, what do you call this? Metal bristle brushes. One that is like a nice cleaning, to clean your dishes and stuff like that. We have a scrubber. You guys, if I tell you I paid so cheap for this item and it comes with so many accessories, it's so worth it. I'm really pleased with this order. And it comes with a softer brush, I believe, well, not a brush, but like a cloth. And this is probably to dry your items when you're cleaning them. One thing I really like about this as well, it is not battery powered, but it's plugged in powered, so you don't have to worry about buying batteries, which is really nice. And it did come charged, so you don't actually have to charge it as soon as it gets out the box. Even though it probably would help it will last a lot longer, but it's really convenient that it's already charged. Right, so the next product that I have, you guys, is this window cleaner. Right, this window cleaner is really awesome. It goes in between the crevices of your window, so it's able to clean those sides just easier. All right, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 adjustable cleanings, and which is nice. Again, you can take these off, you can put them in your laundry, and you can clean them as well. So it's just really nice to clean those sides of the windows that you want to get nice and clean, looking nice and fresh. This is when you want to do a deep cleaning in your house and you don't want to get into, you know, it taking too long for you to clean, and you just use this, slide it right through, and you are good to go. All right, definitely a good and a must buy. It's probably the biggest item that I picked up. It is, let me pull it out for you guys, show you guys what it is. My bag fell. So it's a steam cleaner. I am so excited about this buy. This is the most pricey one that I did pick up. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much all of these items did cost, but this is the most pricey one that I purchased. And this steam cleaner is amazing, you guys. You can use this for a variety of things, which is what I love. I am so excited to use this steam cleaner. It does come with a manual, which is really nice, because sometimes we need manuals so we're able to understand what it is and how to use it. Look at this, y'all. I believe I paid like $40. I'm gonna give you guys an estimated price, but this is very hefty. It's extremely hefty. You hear that? I'm so excited to use this. It comes with all different types. This one I believe is for the window or for like the bathroom windows. This one is to get on the nooks and those corners, okay? I believe this one might be for the window as well. And it comes with little cups so you're able to measure what you need to measure, which is really, really awesome. I cannot wait. And it comes with a longer muzzle that you're able to use to get on those smaller to reach areas, all right? Alright, so we have both Scrub Daddies. I'm gonna review the Scrub Daddy from Temu that I picked up and the natural Scrub Daddy. So both of them are essentially supposed to do the same thing. So we're just gonna review them, take them out the package, and see how the Temu one holds up, okay? Alright, so the yellow one is the Temu one. The orange one is the natural regular Scrub Daddy. I kind of wanted to put them in water and test them out, but before I do that, I just want to let you guys know the thickness is the same. It is a little bit more harder, the Temu one, compared to the natural Scrub Daddy. So in my opinion, I think the Temu one would be good for harder scrubbing areas. So now I'm just gonna put it in water, cold water. Alright, so we took it out and we had it in cold water. The Scrub Daddy from Temu is substantially harder than the Scrub Daddy, the natural and regular Scrub Daddy. So like I mentioned before, the Scrub Daddy from Temu would be really, really good to scrub hard areas if you want that nice hard scrubbing action. The Scrub Daddy, the natural Scrub Daddy, was pretty soft, but not too soft. Alright, so this is in warm water, and that is how soft it is. It's supposed to get softer in warm water. It did get softer. The Scrub Daddy got a little bit softer, but not too soft. Still a very, very good product. Definitely worth the buy compared to the price. Like I mentioned before, the sizes are pretty darn similar, so I think you should definitely pick up this dupe today. So now I want to get into like the little miscellaneous things that I purchased from Temu. I picked up these cute little glasses. See if you guys can see. These adorable glasses. Me and my fiance, we like to drink wine. We're avid wine drinkers, and these glasses are so cute. I love them so much. Been a while since you felt like this. Been a while since you felt like this. Been a while since you felt like. In addition to that, I got these cute Van Cleef dupes from Temu. They are so cute. I think I paid $125 for each of them, and I picked up 5 of them. So cute. I also got these Van Cleef's necklaces, dupes necklaces, that are really, really cute. In addition to that, I got these cute little house slippers that I'm gonna wear in the house when I'm cleaning, when I'm just walking around the house. They are so comfy. As you guys can see, my cat loves them also. I love them, you guys. Concludes my Temu haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed this Temu haul as much as I enjoyed making it. If you are interested in purchasing items for cleaning on Temu for less, make sure you look at this video And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I do a lot of Temu videos, so I have a lot of products that I'm able to review for you guys and give you guys a nice and deep review, so you guys are able to see if you want to purchase these products. All right, so thank you guys again so much for watching. Do not forget to like, hit that like button, comment what you want to pick up from this list, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I am on the road to 1,000 followers. I think I got like what 40 more to go, so make sure you guys subscribe, and then hopefully I can give you guys a giveaway once I hit that 1,000 threshold. All right, so again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Peace.